where love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got...
Hey everyone, Mobile Gamer 667 here, and boy, look at what we have. I downloaded an app called Yarn. So, the reason why is so that we can read some of these. I'm just trying to find one that sounds great. Sorry, I just had tea. He's bad. Alright. Now, there is one. Just one. That is just really disturbing. If I can find it again. Trust me, it takes a while. Alright, here it is. I found it. Let's play, shall we? This is not one of my paranoid things. I'm telling you. Wait a minute. Alright. Restart. This is not one of my paranoid things. Someone's following me. Baby, we need to talk about this. That doesn't make sense. I'm the only person who knows you're driving across the county. Who could possibly be following you? I swear, you didn't tell anybody? I swear. Just relax. Just learn some tunes and relax. You'll get into the campus in 2 days. I've stopped at 3 different gas stations, and every time the same red truck has parked there. Lots of people drive red trucks, babe. No! Not like a generic red truck. It's an old beat-up faded red Chevy. It has a big dent in the fender. It was the same truck. So? Maybe someone's on the same route as you. That doesn't mean that they're following you. Danny! I saw it driving behind me twice. And every time I changed lanes, it did too. Who's in the car? I can't tell! It stays far enough behind, and all I can see is the outline of a person. A guy, I think. What about the gas station? Who pumps gas for the mysterious truck? It never gets any gas. It's always just parked with no one in it. And stop making fun of me. I know what I saw. I'm not making fun of you, Rich, but you are such a hypochondriac and prone to paranoia. Sorry, no offense. I mean, you remember when you thought your dead dog was trying to communicate with you? Or when you thought you had Ebola? Seriously, don't just think you have Ebola. Or that Principal Briggs had a thing for you. You looked funny at me. He's gay, Summer, God. Look, Danny, I really am being serious. Baby, you're just nervous about starting college. Try to relax. I was freaked out too. Trust me, it's going to be fine. Always get wigged out when you get nervous. Just calm down. I don't know. And don't make fun of me. Trust me. Where are you right now? In my Airbnb. This lady has all these little bungalows she rents out. It's actually super cute. See? You're fine. Just chill. Relax. Rach? Hello? Oh my gosh!
He's here. The red truck is here. It just looked out. I just looked out of the window and it's parked right next to my car. I'm not staying here.
That was part 1. Let's continue part.
He's out there. He won't leave me alone.
Baby, please. Just relax and drive and forget about that stupid red truck. I'm here. I'm with you.
You're 15,000 miles away, Danny. What if he kills me out there on the road?
That won't happen. Trust me. You're tired. And you're working yourself into a frenzy. So please believe me. No one is following you.
How do you know? I left the bungalow and I thought I lost him. But he just popped out in my rearview mirror.
Now? He's behind you?
Not now. I turned a corner and now I don't see him. But I know he's out there.
Okay. You keep driving to the next hotel. You get a room and then call me. Nothing else. I really don't like you texting and driving.
I'm doing talk to text. Plus, there is no hotel for another 50 miles. I'm in the middle of nowhere. That is compared to Calidoc.
I heard my dad read the car description you gave me. Okay. Sorry guys, that was my dad. Back onto the story. He's on night duty at the station. I'll let you know if he finds anything.
Oh? Good. That makes me feel better. Maybe there's a local sheriff out there that your dad can call or something.
Let's wait and see if he finds anything. He hates calling in favors unless he has to.
He's back! He's back right now! Danny! Help! He's right behind me.
What?
He's right on my bumper. I'm going to crash.
Rachel, drive! Just focus and drive. Keep your eyes on the road. This is super suspense, guys. What's happening? Where are you?
Danny! I'm so scared. I swerved off the side of the road and he just drove right by me. I hope he passed me.
I can't
Breathe.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Night.
The TV's on.
Okay. Guys, that was my dad.
Yes. What do I do? Oh my god. What am I going to do?
It's okay. He's gone. It's going to be okay. Superstitions. Alright, so if you're wondering why I actually voiced this, no, I don't want to. I don't want to put. If you're wondering why I voiced this, it's because, well, yeah. Anyways, so I recommend you download Yarn. It's a really good app. You can actually read some stories. Yeah. There's even one called Zombie Brother that I'll read in the next episode. Bye!